Mm. Okay, so hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Yes.
Welcome to the next round of SparkX competition. So, what you achieved here is like you are in the top 20% of all the people that competed in this competition. So, now you have reached the first step from where you'll actually be competing in the themes that will be provided to you. So, for all the kinds of questions and everything, you are free to ask me at the end of this session. For now, I'll be speaking everything about whatever there and what about the themes and example projects. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Sir, there
Sir,
will be
your
more.
voice was not audible. Can you tell again?
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir, now you're audible.
Okay. Hmm. See, now after you have reached here in the top 20%, you will need to compete properly in some teams, some kind of teams. You will have to interact here with other peoples to decide on which kind of teams you will be joining. See, there are generative AI and physical AI. Out of those two, you have to select one. So the part that I'll be covering will be the physical AI. That means the hardware part, robotic stuff, like some kind of moving objects. And the generative AI is like chatbots or something that will be making on your laptops. So the themes that I'll be starting with will be the junior theme, that is EcoBot for juniors, and the senior theme, that is sustainable cities. So the first theme that I'll be starting with is EcoBot. So this is for 6 to 8 standard students. The students that are from 9 to 12 can also listen to this, means it will be useful anyway. So in the EcoBot theme, you will have to make some kind of project that will monitor everything in your surroundings, from temperature, humidity, all the kinds of everything that will be available, like pollution data and everything. Okay. So
Okay.
Okay, so what I'll be showing you right now will be a project based off on that. So with that, you will get an idea on how to make this EcoWord project possible. It won't be the exact project that you have to make, but it will be something similar from which you can get inspiration. For all kinds of hardware, documents, coding, and stuff will be shared to you via my team, and you won't have any problems according to that. So let me switch my camera to show you the first thing that we'll be covering. That will be the EcoWord for 6 to 8. Um, okay, stop share. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
No,
So
Yes,
sir.
sir.
this is
No,
the
sir.
first.
No, sir.
No, sir. Now it is not a video.
Yes, sir. It is not visible now.
It is not visible now.
Yes, sir.
It's visible, sir. I think na that pin is like someone else, and your screen is on the right hand side.
Okay, okay, no problem. Then just pin my screen. Whoever is not able to see me. Okay, okay. Now I'll be starting. Can you just give me a confirmation if it's okay? I'll just pin it. Wait. Okay, now it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, this
But
is.
blink.
Wait. Hmm. Now I'll start. This is the EcoBot project that I was talking about. See, this is a aquarium monitoring system. What this does, this has TDS sensor, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, smoke sensors, and different kinds of sensor which will give us the condition of the environment that is in our aquarium right now. Okay, so you can make it wireless or in any other kind or some kind of display that I'm using. So the kind that I have made has a display. It will display all the properties. So the first of all prerequisite for this will be that you have to know how to do the Arduino coding, and you have to know how to make the connections and all this stuff. That I have a video that will be shared to you through the team, and you'll get to know that. For now, I'll be giving you overall view, and you can ask all the doubts you have based off of that. See, this is the connector that I'm connecting it to my laptop. Now I'll connect it. See, as you can see, the screen has light up right now. So you might not be able to see properly what's right there. So I'll read it out for you. The first line prints the temperature. So this is the temperature sensor. See, right here is the temperature sensor. This will go in the water. This will tell you what temperature the water is. Based off of that, it will calculate a TDS, that is how much salty the water is, so that you can monitor the health of your fishes and how properly it's living or not, oxygen and stuff. Let's say you have some kind of oxygen meter or some kind of thing that makes oxygen. What if it catches fire and you don't know? Of course, it's water. It won't get caught, but still. So this is the smoke sensor that will detect that fire. And here, right now, it is printing OK. When it detects something, it will print just detected. And others are just humidity sensor that I've attached right here, this blue thing, DHT11. And this is the breadboard and this is the Arduino. So here, if you want to know in detail about this, I have explained it in the video. And all the coding and stuff will be done. And one thing that you have to know, that you don't need a laptop for this. Laptop is not a must. You can code on this Arduino using your mobile smartphone as well. Tablet will also work. So this is just the theme EchoBot that I have applied here. All the components here and all the doubts about this, you can ask me at the end. Okay, all the sensor, everything, where you can buy all this stuff. So this was the EcoBot. This will just float in the aquarium and it will tell you how it works. Means, I mean, what it was, it will just show you the data, temperature, everything. So this was the EcoBot. Now let's get to our next theme, that is the sustainable. Before that, this is not the only thing you have to make. In EcoBot, there are also three themes. Out of those three, you have to choose which one you will make, and based on that, you will be competing. So this was it for the EcoBot. Now we'll go to the sustainable cities. That is for 9 to 12. All this data will be shared to both of the categories, that is 6 to 8 and 9 to 12, because each of you can take the inspiration of what you need to make. So now I'll get to our next project. This is that one. I'll switch to different camera view for now. Hmm. See, what right here is a home security system. All these wires you will not be able to understand right now, but when you go through the video, you will know how this sensor and everything is being attached right here. Okay, so see what right here is out of top. Okay, okay, so all these doubts you will be asking later, means my team will be answering all those at the end. Okay, so see how this work is. This is an ultrasonic sensor. What this ultrasonic sensor do is, when some object or some person comes under some 15 centimeter distance, these gates will open. And what these LEDs are for, let's say there are two people. So if there are two people in front of these two ultrasonic sensor, the gates will open. But it shouldn't be just over at that, because this will become too simple. So in the actual lecture, I have added how you will be putting a camera here. In that camera, you will get the live feed in your mobile, and it will also detect what kind of person it is. It will detect if it is an animal. It will also detect if it's human, cat, or anything. So what you will get is a home security system right there at your doorstep. So let me show you how it actually works. Wait, just let me get this connected. Okay, now I connected the laptop. See, now what happens is, if I go in front of this, see, these LEDs are lighting up, red LEDs. If I go in front of these, orange LEDs are lighting up. But now what if I go at the center? But means that's how I define the logic. You can change this logic based on whatever you want. And see, here, right here is a LCD display. It is just printing welcome. Okay. So now when we put our hand here, see, the gates open. Okay. So this is just a thing that is based off of that. Okay, so this was it for the main themes that we will have. That is the EcoBot and this theme for sustainable cities. In sustainable cities also there are three categories, that is conveyor belt, waste dispense system, and one more. So what you have to do is get the inspiration from this. There are many different kind of sensors that I've covered in the lecture, from let's say buzzers, PIR sensors, motion sensor, ESP32 camera. So ESP32 camera, what it will help you to do. See, here we are using a RDM. Okay, let me switch. See, here what we are doing, we are using an Arduino Uno. Instead of this, you will be using an ESP32 board and an ESP32 camera, which will allow you to get directly data from your home gate to your mobile or anywhere device. So wherever the same Wi-Fi network is going
Hello.
on, you can just access it. So these were the two themes. If you have any doubts for these two things, you can ask me right now.
Hello.
But one at a time. Any other
So,
doubts that are not related to the project should be asked in comment section.
so, I was asking that is it necessary to make the projects mentioned in the brochure, or we can
Ah,
make by ourselves?
See, what is necessary is, see, we have defined a theme. In those theme, we have given three projects. You have to make those three projects only, but you can make them better than already the theme has given you. You can try to add new things in that project itself. You can't change the project itself, because for if we change for you, we'll have to change for everyone. Then that is not possible.
Okay, and like we have to create all three projects or only one from
No,
them?
no, no. Only one of them.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Sir, and
And
where
One
we
at a
will get
time.
the
sir,
Sir,
One at a
sir,
time. One at a time.
sir, where we will get the procedure how to make it.
So see, there's a see, I haven't explained actually in detail how each and every sensor work, because it will take a large amount of time. If you want to know in detail how to check how a sensor works from start, you'll have to search on YouTube. But the overall guide on how to attach the sensor, how sensor works, I have told those things in one line. So you will get the example codes on how to get these things working, how to connect these wires, and how to be possible. You can make these all things just based off that video itself.
so
Sir,
I
and
want
where
to,
we will get
sir,
the
I
sir,
want
material.
can you please say the three themes for this junior category EcoBot?
Uh,
And do we have to make it on the spot or will
so see,
make
there
it?
are, okay, you have to see, first of all, you have to submit a PDF and a video of your prototype. Then you will be taken to the main IIT Bombay where these competitions will be conducted.
Yeah,
Sir,
thank
when
you.
is the
Sir,
And
competition?
can you please
sir,
four themes?
we need money for this all.
Hello again.
Hello,
Hello.
sir.
Sir, from where we will get this all materials?
It will be provided to you by my team itself. By the end of this, everything will be sent to you. You don't have to worry about that.
You provide.
Home delivery, sir.
No, not the whole components, not for the components. Home delivery via mail will be done for you through the procedures and other stuff, documents, codes, everything.
Sir, hello.
Uh,
This will need money, sir.
for those money and stuff, you can ask my team. Right now, I'll be only covering the technical parts and all other stuff. You can mention
Also,
your doubt in the comments.
okay, sir.
The three
sir,
things
I
that
I'm
you have
doing for
given.
the second topic, sir.
Can you let the other one speak first? Let's go one at a time.
Sir, please, can I say my doubt? Like,
Okay.
my doubt is there is a physical AI and computer AI, which
Yes.
we have to do both or
No,
single
no.
we can.
See, there are four themes in total. For every age category, there is two themes. For 6 to 8, there are two themes. That is one for physical AI and one for generative AI. For the same is being done for the category from 9 to 12th. So you just have to choose one theme, and in those theme, you have to choose one project out of the three.
Okay,
Hello,
sir.
sir. What is the
Sir,
submission
We can
date?
get the
sir,
components.
hello.
Uh,
Sir, sir, can I do for the second topic in junior category, sir?
are you from the senior category?
Junior, sir.
Okay, if you are from junior, you can do it. See, from junior, you can
Sir,
choose whichever you want.
not EcoBot, sir, the other one.
Yes, you can choose it for that generative AI thing. No, my
Yes,
other
sir.
team member will be coming and he'll explain to you. I am
हाँ
covering
सब
the physical AI part.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
So
it
we
will
can
be held online or offline?
What?
It will be held online or offline. This.
No, no, it will be offline only. But first, you will have to submit a PDF and a video.
Hello,
Excuse
am
me,
I
sir.
audible?
What is the submission date then?
Huh?
What is the submission date then?
You can ask about the submission date in the comment. They will answer you.
Excuse me, sir.
So, so as we can say that just we have to modify that project that you have given in the thing PDF one.
First of all, the thing you have to do is make the project that is given in the theme. perfectly. After you have made it perfectly, you can make it better to win the competition. The better you make, the better your chances are of winning it. Okay.
Sir, when the sir
Sir,
when
can you please
Many people are speaking right now. I'll mute everyone. Whoever wants to speak, please unmute once.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Okay.
sir?
Sir, is there any YouTube channel of yours so we can see and just
I'll be sharing you the video. Means video will be shared to you of about all of these.
on the group, right?
Huh?
Sir, can you
On the group,
please
Wait,
right?
wait.
guide me on
Other
the
person,
group
wait
formation?
for him to finish. Him or to finish.
Sir, means on the group, right? You will send the video on the group, right?
See, it will be sent to you through mail or on group, but it will be sent to you. Videos and documents also with all the example codes.
Hello. Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sir, where will we get the themes?
It's mentioned at the SparkX competition page itself, no?
No,
Sir.
because the techfest.org is not working right now.
Okay, it will be fixed soon.
Okay, and
Sir, can you?
what if
Uh,
our
Regarding the accommodation and traveling, like
Wait a minute,
get
please. Let
selectable.
her finish.
what if our when I submit the PDF, what if it doesn't get selected like the top 32 finalists?
Okay. So see, it's just based on how well you do. The better you do, the
Sir.
better your chances are. Right now, you are in the top 20%. You
Sir.
still
Sir.
have chance. You can still
Excuse
win.
me,
Sir.
sir.
I have to.
Sir,
Sir,
so what is that judgment criteria of
can you
that
please
selection
give
of the top
So
32?
regarding
me
the
the
accommodation,
guidelines on
Because all
group
the
Okay, I'm
projects will
formation?
be
muting all.
same.
Whoever wants to speak, please speak again.
sir, I
Sir.
wanna
Sir, can you please give
Huh.
me the guidelines on team forming and the submission
Okay.
date, etc.?
See, the first thing that you will be do is you will be interacting with all the people that have been selected here, and you will talk with them on if you want to collaborate and stuff. Some groups will be made, and other guidelines will be shared directly to you, so you don't have to worry about that. But you have to know out of all these people that have been selected now,
Thank you, sir.
will be the
sir
winning teammates.
sir sir, I want to say that how groups will
Yes,
be
sir.
formed.
Thank you,
Would
sir.
be formed.
Huh?
How groups would be formed.
See, for groups, you have to choose whoever will be with you. Like if you are for a certain theme, you will be divided into a group which will have people of the same theme. So you will interact with them and make groups based off of that.
Sir.
sir, I wanna ask that
How
what is the information we
to
need to
make
provide in
PDF
the PDF?
One at a time, please.
of that? How to make PDF of that? Which PDF? Can you tell us all
Okay, okay.
information?
So you just have to make the basic PDF of what you will be doing. Let's say you have chosen EcoBot, not EcoBot, you have chosen sustainable cities, and out of that you have chosen the conveyor belt thing. So you will have to give us the basic logic of what you will be doing. Okay. And then you will have to give some photos if you have done any kind of work. If it's working prototype, you have already made it, you will just make a video out of it. And the
Sir, how
PDF
will
will
we
only
get
have the
parts?
step. PDF will only have the steps of what you are doing, the logic, and how it's going to work. And if
Sir,
some
how?
photos, if you have already made something.
Sir,
Hello,
sir,
How we will get
sir, sir,
parts?
hello,
sir, sir.
sir.
Hello.
Hello,
Ah,
sir.
ah,
Hello, hello.
yes.
Sir, for this team formation, sir, can we choose our partner that we would like to? So that will be given from your side,
No,
the team
you can
selection.
choose from your own, but it should be out of those who have been selected.
Yes,
सर
sir,
जो
Sir.
that will be there.
तीन तीन दे रखी है उसमें सर
Excuse me, sir.
तीन दे रखी है प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट में उसमें
हाँ
फॉर द सीनियर कैटेगरी जैसे ट्रैफिक एंड इंक्लूसिव
Sir,
सस्टेनेबल
regarding the
वाले
हाँ हाँ
accommodation,
इसमें जो
sir,
थ्री
एक मिनट
सैंपल्स दे रखे हैं उनके अलावा भी हम बना सकते हैं
नहीं, मैंने वही अभी क्लियर किया था। आप वो जो चीज वहाँ पे थीम्स दी है वो एग्जैक्ट बना सकते हो। आप उनमें
Sir,
ऐड कर सकते हो, पर आप उन
how
थीम्स को
will
चेंज
we
नहीं कर
get
सकते।
parts? How
sir,
will
I
we
had a
get
doubt.
parts?
एक सेकंड, उसका डाउट
ओके
क्लियर हो गया तो वो तो चेक करे पहले।
Sir, can you just
हाँ
upload
एक मिनट
all the information like what is this group and why is this
Yeah,
group
yeah,
formed
it will.
and
At the end of
Parts.
this meeting, everything that I'm saying will be shared after the meeting itself. You don't need to worry
sir,
about it.
one more doubt. Sir, one more
Excuse
doubt.
me,
Okay,
sir.
okay. One more doubt.
Sir, I am working on I'm currently working on a project named SSM, and it includes AI and means it's related to sustainable cities. So can I
Okay.
use that?
you can build that thing, whatever that you have built it on top of the theme, but you can't change the theme. It should be that thing itself, but you can add whatever you have made in that.
Excuse me,
My
sir.
thank you, sir.
Sir, are there any
Excuse me.
dimension restrictions or weight restrictions on the project?
I don't think so. Whatever you can carry should be possible, I think.
Sir, can I,
Excuse me, sir.
Huh.
I
sir,
have a
can
doubt.
I get how we get parts of that?
For those parts, no, everything will be like, see, these are only some components that I have used in these projects. I have explained many more projects in the videos, and I'll be listing many more components. All the links for downloading will be given to you. So you can just,
Sir,
and
Sir,
everyone, whoever wants to ask about, please ask again.
So, sir, as we have selected for top 120, so what will the judgment criteria of selection of the top 32? So, because all the projects will be same, so what is the main judgment criteria will be there? What
Uh,
will be focus
I
on?
don't think all the
Main,
projects will be the same. Like, see, there are different themes, and even though in those themes there are three different projects. So if you ask in how those projects are, you going to judge it, it will be just based on merit on how well it's performing, how well it's doing its job. That's
so
all.
means it's how
sir,
well
for
its accuracy is
inquiry,
having.
Please can you let him speak? Hmm.
Sir, means the accuracy level will be main judgment criteria of that.
Yeah. See, first of all, it should be working. Okay, that's the first thing. And then accuracy, design, everything will be accounted for. Let's say if all have working product and its accuracy is the same, then it will be given on the uh, based on what it's, see, there are all of them are working on the same amount of accuracy. So it will be then decided on the design and how other things. So criteria is given in the problem statement itself. You can just check there for the judgment.
Hello.
sir, अगर
excuse me, sir.
हमें, sir, we want to, sir,
Hmm?
sir, we want to make the project, right? So
Right.
for parts and all information, can you give us a number that I ask all things to them?
Okay, see, at the end you will be provided with whoever with the number or email where you can contact my team to get all your queries solved, and you don't need to worry about the component buying and stuff. We'll be sharing you the links of everything.
Hello.
Sir, I had a doubt. Like, sir, is it compulsory to make groups or we can do it alone also?
See, okay, so see, groups is not exactly means, see, making groups is compulsory. But let's say there's a case where there are not many people available, then some exceptions might be made. For getting in more detail about it, you should ask it in the chat for
And
the
sir,
guidelines for the group.
also I wanted to ask that means when we have to make groups now itself or afterwards means when in this level or there will be one more level and after that we have to make groups.
Okay, you may ask this in the chat itself.
Hello,
Uh,
sir.
okay.
So we would have the basic idea of the project and then we would have to add to it, right?
Yeah, like, see, first of all, whatever the theme is, you have to make it. Then you are here for a competition. You are here for winning this SparkX competition. So
Yes.
to win that, you have to do something that not everyone has done. So you have to make it better anyhow. If you make the same thing and then you are competing with someone else who has
Sir,
done the
we
same
can
exact
change
thing.
the
Wait a minute. So same exact thing.
And
So
we
you
can
will have to
change
do
the
something
project,
better.
not the theme.
can I outsource the code?
What do you mean outsource the code?
Like if I don't know coding or if someone
Okay,
doesn't.
huh. For these things also I have covered in the videos itself. I have also shown you how you can use the AI itself to code.
Okay, and if I get like selected in the top 32 teams to present at IIT,
Uh-huh.
then the accommodation I'll have to pay, no?
See, those things about the accommodation, everything you can ask about in chat. I will only explain about the technical stuff. Most probably it will be, but still you should ask in the chat to confirm it. For the competition and stuff, you can ask about me or the technical stuff.
Okay,
Sir, does
thanks.
the
Sir,
theme only have to be related?
Huh?
Sir,
Performing solo versus groups. Mm,
Sir, like my aspect of not forming group is like we cannot trust everyone. Like we are from different zonals,
Huh.
and we are from different cities zonals. Like if we form someone team, like it can be not means properly managed. In proper, they were only
Hmm.
three children, two from 6 to 8, and four from something the 9 to 12, and they were so less, so the teams cannot be formed from different zonals.
Huh.
Like
So
we
in such a situation, you may form whatever means whatever is available to you, but you can't be taking the students from 9 to 12 and combining them with students from 6 to 8. You can only have team members from 6 to 8 itself.
So,
Huh.
one question.
Huh.
So just to clarify again,
Hmm.
we have to select from one of the topics given, right? Like,
Yes.
can we go under can we go under one of the themes, but create a project which is like different from any of the robots that's given?
No, you can't make something entirely different. You have to make that and then add on every idea that you have.
Oh,
The,
okay, got it, sir.
for
Thank you.
example, that the convey idea, can we, for example, make it space themed or some other ocean themed or some other place themed, or does it only have to be like trash related or eco-friendly or something?
See, the more you align with yourself with the theme, the more your chances of winning the competition are. You can still make the conveyor belt, okay, with some other things like sorting something else. But if it's related to sustainable cities, then it would be better because it's aligning more with the theme itself.
I had a question actually.
Uh,
If this model which we are creating, is it required to be compatible with the real world scenario? If we are deploying this project into the real world, so is there any condition that this is only a project, or do we have to make it like something that can be deployed in the real world?
uh, See, this thing is something you will have to think about. Uh, if you make something that is in competition, you will have edge over others if it can be directly applied in real world. If it cannot be, it's still okay. But what if it can? If it can, then you'll have more chances of winning. That's it.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, we can change the we cannot change the theme, but we can change the projects given, or we can update them, right?
What I said was you have a theme. You have to follow that theme no matter what. Then in that theme, there are three projects. Out of those three projects, you can choose anyone. In those projects, what you have to do, you have to do whatever is given there. After you have done that, you can add extra things to it to make your project more visibly appealing to others.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hmm.
Sir, what is the third project?
In which theme you are talking about?
Sir, you are only explain two projects.
Yeah,
Then
yeah,
what is the
I
project?
am explaining only two themes that are for physical AI. Other two themes that are for generative AI will be means it will be told to you by the other team member that we have. I am only taking the physical AI part.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
sir, can you tell the uh, remaining two projects of eco that for 6 to 8 that
Okay, I will tell you the other two projects that are for EcoBot, but you can still find them on the okay. It's not okay. It's not up right now, right? That site, but still, after some
sir,
time it will be available and you can see it there. Okay, I'll tell it for now. Just a minute. See, in EcoBot, the first thing we have is a smart air node. What it is, it's just a air quality monitor. It will call what you have to do, you will have to use different kind of sensors to get the idea of what is the air quality in your surroundings. You will be measuring it based on buzzers, some kind of LEDs, whether it's good, moderate, or poor. Then the second thing is an aquasense bot. It is kind of mini aquarium that I've made here right here only. But only it's this one has everything right inside. You will have to only add some TDS sensor, some pH sensor, that's all. And then the third sim is Eco Monitor Station. It will be a monitoring station for this air quality, AQI data, humidity, temperature, these things only. But this will be sent wirelessly directly to your mobile itself, not just displaying.
So where can we get these themes and topics?
See, it means it's available on the site, but as sites down right now, you will be able
Sir,
to see it later.
Sir,
Huh?
when we say integrate multiple environmental readings,
Yes.
so we can have different other than the above two mentioned air quality and
Yeah,
aqua
yeah,
strength.
huh, yes.
We can
So
have
see,
other environmental problems also, right?
yes, yes, yes. You just need to follow the theme. This is a smart air node. The components that have been specified in these themes are just for example. You can use any kind of sensors that goes with this theme.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Huh.
So again, for clarification, like, is it compulsory to have a team?
Okay. Has this not been answered in the chat yet?
So that's why I'm asking you.
Okay, it's not been answered in the chat yet. Don't worry, it will be answered soon. Just wait for some time.
Sir,
Hmm.
hello.
Ah,
The project report which I will be submitting, it is necessary that it should have the photos or the video of my working prototype, or I can just type and all that.
you can type and add images and everything, but again, what will happen? Let's say you are just sending a normal PDF, and other one is sending a PDF with working prototype. So you will know now who will win.
Yes.
So it's just you can just give a document in which you have just explained the how it works and stuff. But if you want to win, you will have to add more things, right?
Okay.
Hmm.
So I can add a video of like myself explaining.
You may add whatever you think is right. If means if it's related to project, you can add, but you should add something related to project itself. It would be much
Yes.
better.
Okay, thank you.
Hmm.
sir,
Huh?
sir, when we have to give this PDF.
Deadline will be shared to you. I think it should be around 30 November submission deadline. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Huh.
Sir, and when we have to give the PDF, is it necessary that we have to make the model at the same time, or we have to make it afterwards?
Um, See, you just need to
Ah,
provide whatever you have made it till date in that document with proper formatting and sorry. And one more thing that I would like to add here is that the group name is compulsory and team size can be anything from 1 to 5. Okay, so that has been cleared. You can have even one member. Okay, team size can be anything from 1 to 5. You
sir,
can
this
have
group was created because of that only. Na? In Inspire Award, we gave one AI exam, and from that we got selected. Na?
yeah, only the people that got selected will be the ones forming the team.
Yes, sir. So, because of that, on 27th, 28th, and 29th, we have the state level competition. So, the date of submission and these are overlapping.
Sir,
Okay.
we have to do
Sir,
past second round.
Your voice is not clear. Can you repeat?
sir, I was saying
What
that
we have to
the
do to
state
pass second
level
round?
State
Hello,
level competition of what?
Inspire Award Manak. Sir, that's date are 27th, 28th, and 29th. So we will need one day to reach over there and so on. So we will not be able to submit at that
Okay,
time.
okay. So what we can do right here is the last date for submission will be 4th December 2025. It will be last date. Now you can have some more days to complete this stuff.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
4th
Okay,
December
sir.
is the
what
last
we
date.
have to do to complete that second round?
Huh? Repeat again. Hello.
Sir, can I ask one question?
Ah, yes, you can ask.
Sir, teams are necessary.
See, team members can be from 1 to 5. You can be alone as well, and you can have 5 members as well. It's better to have a team, and a team name is compulsory. Even if you are alone, you are in a team of you itself, and the team name is compulsory. That's all.
So,
Sir,
Yes,
so we
sir.
have created team in our mind. So, sir, how to apply it to your website, sir? How to reach to
See,
yourself to make
for
it
this,
reachable? Team.
the team registration will open on TechFest website soon.
sir,
Okay.
how to sir,
Huh?
how to complete second round?
Hello. Okay. How to compete for second round?
Yes, sir.
This is the second round. Now this PPT and video.
Yes, sir. So we have we
Uh,
have to go to the PDF, and we have to send the PDF, and we are clearing the second round if you interested in project.
Means if it's good and if it gets selected, yes.
Okay, sir.
Uh,
Sir, what is the number of total teams in this second round?
Total number of teams, you may ask this in the comments itself. I don't know the exact number.
Thank you,
Anything else related to this Arduino coding?
Sir, can we add our friends also who have not been selected in the team?
No, sorry, you cannot.
So can we in team I my friend has selected it is in our building. Can I add this that friend in team?
Did he get selected?
Ha.
He is selected for round 2 in TechFest SparkX.
Yes, sir,
Yes.
round two in my building.
Uh, yes, of course, you
Can
can
I
make team with him.
get in team?
Yes, yes, you
Okay.
can. And for the doubt about how many teams will be there, around 100 teams will be there for the TechFest, total teams.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, sir,
Yes.
during that registration of the round one, sir,
Hello, Rajdeep.
the deployment of the teams are taking the name of that default Gmail ID. So they taken the wrong name of myself. So can I
Okay.
correct it later on?
Okay, this thing now you
Mama,
put in
ती
the
एक
comment itself. The
तेच
teams will
पार्लर
solve these problems for you.
तसं
हाँ
आहे.
Hello.
हाँ
So we will have to buy the components by ourselves, no?
yes.
Okay.
Sir, how many money will needed for buy all
तेच पार्लर दिलती का ती
See,
AI
I can't tell you the exact amount. I can tell you an approximate amount of how much will be needed. If you just think about the project about the security system that I have made, I was able to make it in around, I think, just 400 to 500 rupees.
Okay, sir. This is okay for this. But it will not go for 1,000 above.
1000 above. See, it
Huh.
depends on how good you are trying to make it. You can make your own project under 1000 itself, but again, if others add more components and are able to use more and show more data, let's say you are in ecobot theme and someone is displaying more air quality theme and it accurately, then it will be different. But of course,
Sir
you can make it in
means
100.
So
sir means
sir,
all
you are
the
sending the link na
Yes,
for
yes, I will be sending. Means
Hello.
my team will be sending.
sir and how many means people will win any means will there be any runner up or like that?
Okay, so wait, let me first cover up one thing, clear out with you. In round two, first thing should be group name. It should team size should be around 1 to 5. Wait 1 minute. Okay, so in round two, the first thing is you should have a group name that is compulsory. Team size should be 1 to 5. Registration things, everything will be sent to you on the website SparkX. It will be up soon and you will be able to access it there. Then what you have to do, you have to make a PPT and a video of the working prototype. And PPT means working prototype can be anything, whatever you have achieved till now. And PPT will be your steps, how you have made it, description, explanation, theory, materials, everything. Okay, then result will be declared for the winners after that.
Hello.
हाँ.
So everyone here has given the zonal exam, right? At
Yes.
the respective zonals.
Hmm.
So these are the top 20%.
Yes.
And from here, the teams, the top 32 teams will be selected to present there.
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me,
So,
sir.
sir, if we buy the
Sir,
comp,
what about,
will we get
sir,
that
I have a
reimbursed?
question.
Okay,
What,
okay. Ask it
what,
one at a time.
what about wildcard entries?
Wait. So what we have done is like, see, it was 32 till now only, like 32 teams. We have expanded it to 100 teams now. Okay.
So, sir, for the round 3, the top 100 teams will be there on
Yeah.
IIT Bombay.
हाँ.
Okay, sir.
So
So
now
if we
more
Sir,
more
buy
and
the
people will have chance to
components,
IIT
what
appear.
will
Bombay,
IIT Bombay
sir,
reimburse them?
Please speak one at a time.
sir, in IIT Bombay, means it will be like an exhibition or what?
It means you the things that you have made, their judgment will happen in there itself, whether
Okay,
you
sir.
have performed well
And
or not.
sir,
That way, Pitkin.
Huh?
and sir, it will be of how many days? 1 day, 2 day, 3 days.
Uh, 1 days and 2 days. Okay, that thing you can
It
ask.
would be it would be 4 days, 21st to 24th December.
Like it will be 3 days of Tech Fest. Okay, to be
Okay,
exact,
sir.
22, 23, and
And
24.
sir, will stay be available over there?
Huh?
Stay.
Okay, for stay, you may, I think it was answered in the comments already. You may check there.
Sir.
Actually, in round one, around 10,000 students have already appeared, and now only 100 teams out of those have come. Means, see, out of that, now many have come to 20% have come to this round two, and from here, 100 teams will be selected. And about
Sir,
the day,
no. Sir,
student,
what?
just a minute.
Sir,
And
sir, how many?
students have to reach in IIT Bombay by 21st December, and stay will be available there itself.
Does the
Sir,
total accommodation
What is
cost
how
the
will
many?
be
exact?
taken by
Accommodation
person
accommodation will be
and
provided.
travel, all travel
So what
included?
is the so what is the exact number of students selected for round two?
Uh, exact, just a minute. See, around 20% were selected. So for the exact number, you may just ask that thing in the chat itself. They will tell.
Sir, how
Hmm.
much money will needed for all traveling components? Can you give me some andaz?
Uh, okay. See, uh, ask your doubt again.
How many money will need for traveling and components and all? How many money will need?
Okay, okay. See, first of all, travel cost will be yours. Okay. For reaching Mumbai, IIT Bombay, you have to arrange by yourself. Stay will be, just let me finish. Stay will be provided by us, and for the components also, you will have to buy on your own. If you are asking about the approximate cost that will be required, I already told for the components. For it will be just around 1,000 only, 500 to 1,000. You will be able to get it, and traveling cost it will be based on where you live. So I can't give you an idea about that. The closer you live, the less it will cost you.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I was asking that means if someone does not know the coding and also from where he can take the help.
For that, now how we can help you? See, first of all, I have given you a video link where everything about how to code, how to do everything is being shown how to do it. Like every learning process from start to how to download Arduino IDE, everything. But
Sir, where
after,
have you shared it?
see, this will be shared you after this meeting, not right now.
Okay. Huh. I
Hmm.
thought you have already
No, no,
shared.
it's not already shared. Okay, now this will be the last question. Other question you can ask in the comments.
Hello, sir. Hello,
Just
sir.
a minute. After this, we will be starting the Gen AI theme.
Hello, sir. Is this mean when we will go to IIT Bombay? The fees mean the stay is free or we have to pay for
See, stay will be covered. Traveling cost, component cost, you will have to cover. Stay is free.
Stay will be covered only when we get selected.
No,
Yes,
sir.
yes. Only if you get selected, then only the stay is covered.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay, so now, okay. Now we'll start with the next theme, that is our generative AI. Now we are done with this theme that was for physical AI. Any other questions that you are still having? You may ask this after the
Sir,
generative AI
what
question and
project
answer
for
has been
11th
done.
and 12th standard, sir?
Okay.
Excuse sir.
Okay, these were the last questions now. All the other questions now will be asked after the generative AI theme. Okay. Now just wait a minute till I get my team member to explain to you about the generative AI.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
So sorry for the delay. So like, so sorry for the delay. So like, we are going onto the software part of this session, and for now, like, let's start with the project itself directly. So like, first of all, you must. So there are two things about this. There's one medical thing and a normal AI companion or AI helper thing. So about this projects, they are mainly going to use Gemini API keys, which is the most free API key. But if you have paid API key, then you can use all that also. For first of all, you must install VS Code, because that's the main thing for programming. For doing anything else, like, and you must install VS Code from like the website of VS Code. Like just search VS Code, VS Code download, and then just download it for whatever Mac or Windows you have. I don't think anyone has Linux, but just install VS Code. I'm not installing because I've already installed VS Code. Here's the VS Code thing. And another thing that you must install is Node.js. Since we are doing the website or whatever you build will most probably be web based, since it's the easiest to like use. So you must download Node.js, and it's a very simple thing. It's just an installer. How it is. So like here's the here's the project. Let's see how it works. Here's the backend and front end starting. So you most probably will see it. We have MongoDB connected to the database, and for and let's say the currently the website locally hosted, so it will take some time to start. So here's the website. So here's the SafeMed, AI SafeMed, like which has basically a combination of three projects. Most probably you will make it only one of them in the competition. So here's the AI safe text. Like it filters for like slur words or like bad words like that what you will use. Like let's say it will like just filter out the bad word. Like here you can see like I just said I want to die, which is not a good thing to say normally, and it will rewrite it into like I'm going through a lot right now, need some help. it does to that, it converts this I want to die to this rewritten one with this reason, to it is given through Gemini API, which it basically sends a system prompt along with this, and Gemini returns this response and this response, which we process and convert it into like this website form. And then we have AI companion. You can basically chat with it. The behind it we have a system prompt which says asks Gemini to like be empathetic or mindful or like motivate you. Let's say I have an exam tomorrow and I want to be motivated to study. Let's say some difficult language like and we can just send so the system prompt will like send this. The system prompt will return is such that the Gemini will send a motivational text along with whatever context you are given. So in our context, we are that we need to be motivated for to study Hindi for the Hindi exam tomorrow, and we are feeling nervous about it since we are bad at that. So like it says, we should learn vocabulary words and all of that things, and then we have mindfulness, which works the same way. So we have no. Then we have a story sale. Story sale is like I think that is the best part of this website and project. You can basically it writes MCQ based story, multiple choice questions based story on whatever topic or theme that you are going to give. Like let's say password security on or stranger danger, like stranger danger on social media. Since currently a lot of things happening on social media, it will generate a three to five questions based on this theme, which will be related to motivation, make you aware about the stranger danger on social media. And it will also give a moral at the end. Again, we have a system prompt which is sent to the Gemini. Gemini sends a special type of text to our website, which processes and converts into whatever we can see on the screen. I text sometime because it's a really large prompt and we have slow internet. So like here we have, after some time, we have finally the output. So here's a story that gives a scenario about whatever we are doing related to the topic. For example, it says that we are scrolling to Instagram and someone has messaged you with a lot of your followers. They are talking about your hobbies. So what should we do? So it has given three options, three scenarios, basically story-based scenario like game. So let's say we actually decide to take the wrong path. It doesn't say it's the wrong path, it will say at the end. And based on this path, it will generate a new question or basically story like MCQ based question, which is related to like whatever theme we have chosen. And at the end, it will give a moral. So anyways, about this slowness of a thing, well, remember one thing, the bigger the prompt, system prompt, like bigger the text that you give to the LLM or Gemini, like whichever API key was using, the slower it will get. Like for this project, like for this part of this project, the system prompt is really, really large. Like we can see it on the code if you want to. Story node. No. like Gemini client is sent some. First of all, if you want to really make this, you need a Gemini API key, which you can get it from the Gemini API's website, Android Studio. And then this is just normal code. And we have also normal code here. Let's see if we have done this. Like here's a nice story, and another part to the story, and the person asks you wrong things. Let's provide him with some fake address. Let's say the story. Here is a system prompt. Let's see. It's a really large system prompt. Like we are sending all of this to Gemini. So you can say it like all of this is sent to the Gemini along with whatever we inputted, like the theme of the story. So it will take a lot of time. While the rewrite has a similarly large prompt, but it's relatively smaller because only parts of it is sent to the. Like you can see, like for the rewrite, you can see like we ask the LLM to like actually rewrite it into normal natural conversational language. It should not be empty. We set rules for it, like what's output should it give, and you can also say it, and like remove profanity and all of that. When you make a project, set the rules for the LLM yourself. And another thing about this, when you set the rules, use markdown format because LLMs understand markdown format very easily. If you don't know what's LLM, it's a large language model like Gemini, ChatGPT, or Plot. It's basically predicts a word predictor, or which predicts the next word from. Like if you write U, it predicts if whether it will be R or something like that. It's a really complex model, so I'm not going to the theory of it. And you can see it. For the chats, similarly, we have these prompts. This is what we call system prompt. And if you have noticed, this is what we call markdown format. For example, here's a file in markdown format. Please stop drawing on the screen because I can't see it. So like here's the markdown format. Like here's an example file in markdown format. It's basically a readme. It actually processes into like this kind of thing. So most probably give system prompt in this kind of like format, since AI understands it's better than normal natural language, whatever we write. And let's come to the story part again. And as for the tech stack that we are going to you should use MongoDB as a database, Express.js, Node.js, or Node and React.js. But you use anything like normal JavaScript, HTML, and CSS2 for the backend and the front end parts. And for the Gemini API key, here's the Gemini API key. Like go to the Google Studio. It's free, but don't use it a lot because it has a rate limiting too. So Gemini API Studio. Other than that, I request anyone who is drawing to not draw because I can't see. We can also remove you if you are drawing a lot or anything. So like we can say another thing about when you are making a project, always make it structured. Like don't use a lot. Like if you have, like let's say in this project, it has a lot of files. So have a client and a server folder or a front end or backend folder. This is the front end and this is the backend. So have a structured project and always first plan what you are making. Like there's a term known as software engineering, which I'm studying currently. You must in that you must first plan the project itself before making anything. So first plan, like we are going to make whatever we're going to make. Like first choose the theme, then the plan, like what will we make exactly. Like I decided to make this AI companion thing, and then also plan how many pages that website will have. Like this has 1 2 3 pages only. You can make only also make a single page website, and then also plan like what will be its color theme. Like I've used yellow color theme, and the simple theme of like Reddit like style theme. Like if you check, see if this is like Reddit itself, the Reddit is a website, but you can use any theme and any this style, whatever you want. And also plan with tech stack you are going to use. Like I've used, as I said, MongoDB Express, React, and Node. And for styling, I used Tailwind CSS. I don't think you need to use a lot of complicated things. Like you can also make on HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript. But if you're making complicated website, always plan. Also document what you're going to make because you may forget what you're going to like. Also in presentation, it helps, but it also helps in remembering what you have actually made. Like I have documented all of these things. As everyone else is annotating on the screen, I'm disabling the annotations. Wait for a few seconds. So like, let's start again. So let's start again. I've disabled the annotations. So anyways, like always plan the website as I've said. Like I first, if you are like planning, let's first make a document or ask whatever AI you are using, like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to actually generate a document plan for your whatever idea you are making. And other thing is that that's like I was saying, and also like if you want to do if you're making a fairly large project, use GitHub. And I've also hosted the code on GitHub itself. Like let's see my GitHub. Not this is not. So I posted the code on my GitHub, so you can actually review it, and if you want, you can actually read it to actually learn how to make this website. So here's my GitHub, Red Zapdos 123. I think you will get the links later on for this link, and here's the code. I will upload everything. I think if you are like participating in this competition, you should also make a GitHub and actually upload this code since it helps in teamwork and planning and all of that. github.com. And then let's move on to the next project, like whatever we are building. It's a medical one. So here's the medical project. It has basically two paths. The first path is a normal chatbot which talks with you related to medical health. As always, we have a system prompt again, which is sent to the Gemini, which is related to medical things. So let's ask how to get vitamin C and D. From vegetarian sources, since I'm a vegetarian. Getting vitamin C from vegetarian sources is a relatively difficult thing. And actually, let's include vitamin B12 too, since we are adding. And then we will send it to whatever mode you want to select. We have general, lifestyle, and mental wellness. Mental wellness is mainly for mental health related things. Lifestyle is for like lifestyle choices. Wait a minute. We have an error. Oh, by the way, whenever I make a project, we can have an error like this. Like this error says that a pot, like when the websites are self-hosted on a laptop, we have pots. And this pot was actually held by the previous project which we have forgot to switch off, like close. So that's why we have an error here. But the front end works. So that's why you can see it. So let's close and open again. Always read the errors, like what you are doing. See, there's no error now since when I closed it. And it also says we are using 4 Gemini API keys. Again, so let's go again and write the prompt. By the way, here we also have the Med AI projects code. I'm not sure why it gives an rate limiting error. So we have a rate limiting error. I'm not sure why we are getting that. Maybe the Gemini server is overloaded on whatever we have that. So like we can see it in the image itself. Our share chat. I also used the example previously. It gives like this kind of a large explanation about where you can get supplements and all of that. You can basically give it any prompt and it will always answer. And here's a mental health one thing too. Like if you are feeling depressed, you can like prompt it. It's basically a chat bot. You can also converse with it, but it's slow. Other than that, there's also about this website's design. Always I use chosen Tailwind CSS normal templates for that. To actually design this website. I've also had a clear conversation, like should be in chatbots, and also a reminder that this is not a substitute for doctors. If you're making a website, always try to make it professional to actually make, look good. And about that things again in the server. And you can say you have a normal backend structure too. If you want to study, you can study from like YouTube. We have a YouTube channel known as, I don't have a YouTube channel, like someone has made a nice YouTube channel named Bro Code and Free Code Camp, which teaches you programming. You can actually search it upon and check and study from here. Like, huh? So I've shown you both of the projects. Actually, not this part, like whatever. So I've shown you both of the projects, and I think you will get the GitHub links with the code and the detailed demonstration videos about these projects to actually learn from them. So wait a minute. So like you can unmute and ask me themes. So you can unmute.
उनको बोल कि मैं अलाउ कर रहा हूँ एक सेकंड बोलना
I'm allowing you to unmute you right now in about 30 seconds. So now you can unmute and ask questions.
Sir,
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, means is this code available on GitHub and can you share the link in the group?
Yes, the links will be shared later on.
Yes,
Just
thank you.
after this session, most probably.
sir, and means based on the two categories, will the selection be vast or means the both categories the selection will be different or it will be same?
I think it will be different for both the categories. Like the both.
Okay, so
Yes.
if we are taking physical, so we have to means only the people will get selected in physical will be different, and at the main IIT Bombay, the physical results will be different, and the generative AI results will be different.
It will be different.
Okay.
And I think someone asked about this API key that I just leaked my API keys. Yes, don't leak the API keys, but I don't care about those API keys since I'm going to just delete them.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Is we can use Python instead of Java?
You can use any text stack, doesn't matter. You can use
Sir, sir, can you,
Okay, sir.
can we all have an interactive session like the first mentor came and he said you can have an interactive session in last 5 or 10 minutes.
after this.
Is we can make any model in for generative AI?
Like what did you ask right now?
Yes, sir.
Ask the question again. Anup, ask the question again, like I didn't hear it right now. Ask your questions, like you don't need to raise your hand or anything like
Sir,
that.
can you tell how to means take the ChatGPT API? Can you show?
ChatGPT API isn't free.
It's free, that secret API ChatGPT.
Yes, but you can take it because it's not free. But if you want to buy, you can go to OpenAI's website and then buy it. Because since I don't have access to API keys, I can show that. And I will actually access. There will be a video sent on the group itself. And about the API keys, only Gemini is the free API key along with Grok's API keys. So most of you should use that. Any other questions?
Sir, I don't know that how to use MongoDB, and also could I use AI to code it?
Yes, you can use, like, let's talk about the AI part of itself, like for 1 minute. See, here's GitHub Copilot. You can install it from the extensions. Just type Copilot and install, and just give commands on how to like do anything. Like here's a command I've given to do write the documentations. Yes, you can use it. So you can use anything like you want to. And about another announcement, there is a WhatsApp group created for the round 2 participants where you can get all the details and ask queries too, along with. So any other questions?
And sir, could we use your GitHub code for the reference and make advancement on that only?
Yes, you can use. You can use anyone's GitHub code, like mine or anyone else.
Okay.
Just
And
don't.
there is no restriction that all the things should be known to us. We could be dependent fully on AI, some technologies for MongoDB and Node 1.
See, don't use a lot of AI. Like if you're using AI, it's fine, but you should know what the AI is doing exactly. Like because if the evaluators ask you some questions related to the, let's say, the backend and to front-end connections or how MongoDB is used in this project, you should be able to answer it. So you must know like how it works.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, can we have now interactive session?
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Sir, we can use AI for coding, but and unless we know the logic behind the code and how everything works, it's okay, right? To use AI and all.
See, you should know the logic, how the code works. But you can use AI too, but you must know how the code logic works because the evaluators will then ask you questions and then you will not be able to answer and then get out of the competition itself. So you must know the code logic and also how the code is designed and what are the files and all of that. So you must know the code logic, I feel.
Yes, yes, sir. Okay, thank you.
Like if you want to like know the code logic, like I'm going to tell you a method. Go to the Copilot and ask it to explain the code file by file and how the structure it's structured. Like ask it to like make some code base index which says what are the files and what are the API endpoints and all of that. I think you should study about that in some detail. Like here's I've written all of that, but it can be more detailed too. So you must know
Okay.
that.
Yes, okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, is it necessary to make a generative AI model for only NLP?
I don't think so. You can make, I think, also make generative AI. You are not going to make generative AI models. You are most probably going to make use API keys itself. You don't specifically know NLP itself. You can also make for video generation too.
Because I am using YOLO and CV models to make a blind model.
That's good actually. If you're using YOLO and all
So,
those things.
Okay, sir.
so
Thank
the
you.
who have selected means who want to do in generative AI, they have to also give the PPT and all.
Can you repeat the question again?
Means who want to do generative AI, they also want to give the PPT and all that things.
Yes, for like this competition, you must make a PPT.
And sir, how we will show the working by giving the link of that, or we will record a video while it work.
Yes, you should make a demonstration video and also give the link of the code on GitHub on other platform. But that's how
Okay,
you have
sir.
to do that.
Excuse me, sir.
And sir, so to IIT Bombay, we should carry our laptop and devices. No?
Yes, because that's how you will participate in the hackathon.
So,
Yes.
so now we haven't mastered any HTML or any other coding language. So where we can get this code to run this website, sir?
A GitHub links will be shared for this code, and if you want to learn from YouTube, I will recommend free code camp for that.
Okay, sir. So can this app be little different from yours?
Yes, you can also change the entire tech stack too. Like as someone said, he wants to make in Python, then you can also make in Python too. I'm not setting. There are no restrictions on that.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions?
Is I can use a model which I have already sent for a competition.
What did you say?
Is I can use a model which I already sent for another competition.
Yes, you can always reuse your custom trained models and codes.
Uh,
No one checks that.
okay.
Sir, can we now have a session with, like, they said you can have the doubts and everything, like the team formation or like this.
Okay, there is one key information that I would like to share with you. There was one misinformation that the stay in IIT Bombay will be provided. It was a wrong mistake from our side. For stay, it will be of around 5 days, and for that you will have to pay amount of 3,399 rupees. It will be from 21 to 25 for one student. It will be 3,399.
Thank you, sir. So,
What if
Can you
we are in
repeat
the
the
team, sir?
amount? Sir,
excuse
can
me,
you
sir.
repeat the amount?
3,399. So what if we are in
Sir,
a team, sir? Like we are
Sir,
in a group
I
of
want
two,
to
sir. So we
ask,
have to pay together. Uh, See, it is 3,399 for one student.
sir, I want to ask, this was a misunderstanding or the like correct information that 100 teams will be selected,
No, no,
not
no,
32,
no, no. This was not a misunderstanding.
100, but on the TechFest site right now also it is showing 32 teams.
So it will get updated.
excuse me, sir.
Huh?
Sir, means can we bear our own expenses if we bring means if we don't avail the services given by you and just bring our parents with us?
You may ask this doubt in the chat. But when I say 100 teams, it's including junior and senior, both of the teams, everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
So the amount we pay for accommodation will end on 25 morning 10 a.m., right? So
Yes.
like what if we have the return tickets of 25 evening? So would the accommodation be like shifted a little bit?
See, somewhat flexibility will be provided. That much is fine.
Okay, like a few hours until the
Yeah, yeah, it
evening.
can be managed.
Okay, thank you so much. Because I'm
Uh,
coming with a group from a school. So
Okay.
there will be like 26 of us.
Okay, okay.
So it
Hello.
would be
That's
flexible.
not a problem. It's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Ex- Excuse me. Hello.
Huh?
Uh, Due to a technical issue here, I was unable to join, and I recently got joined in this meeting. I just
Okay.
want you to confirm that on what topic are we discussing right now, so that I
Uh,
can connect.
on what purpose are we?
Are we? What topic is now going on? If
Okay, so see, right now the meeting has almost completed about the main topics. Only the question and a question and answer session was going on. Before physical AI was covered, now generative AI was just being covered and had a question answer session. And I just came here to announce one thing that was about the accommodation that will be provided in IIT Bombay.
for round two, right?
Yes, only for those who are selected in the round two.
So, as you said, when the website will be working, so we can get the details of themes and the subtopics. So, how can we get so? Where is that? So, please can you guide us?
Uh, See, right now I cannot guide you because the site is down right now. Don't worry, we will guide you properly
side
in
is
the
up.
documents and WhatsApp group itself.
Sir, the site is back
Okay,
on.
site is back. Okay, okay. See, it's been provided.
Sir,
You
in
can
Sir,
see
the
in
will we
the
be
chat.
given
description.
stipend for our projects?
What?
So, where
Sir,
you
will we
are
be
finding
given
it?
stipends to make our physical projects?
Okay, are you asking whether we will give you stipend for making your physical project? Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Unfortunately not. You will have to buy your own components. We'll only be guiding you and telling you from where to buy, where the cheapest components you can get.
Sir, it's a
Okay.
hackathon, means we have to make it on the spot there. On the spot.
Not on the spot because if it's physical thing, you can't make everything on the spot. That's why we are asking you to do PPTs and videos first.
Okay.
So
Okay, sir.
now
Just
Your voice is not audible.
sir means we can introduce ourselves to each other and make groups like that.
You can interact with each other in the WhatsApp group itself because if you try to interact here in the meeting, a lot of chaos will happen and it will cause problems only.
but sir, in WhatsApp group, we are not allowed to means.
What?
The only
We
admins
are
can
not
chat in
allowed to
WhatsApp group.
message.
Okay, okay, don't worry. A group will be made or it's already made, I think, and you guys will be added to it, so you don't need to worry about that.
No, sir, we are added to group,
Okay.
but we are not. But we are not allowed to message.
That's what I'm saying. You
Okay.
will be given one more other group or you will be allowed to chat. Don't worry about that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
After this meeting, everything will be taken care of.
Sir, right now we have not received any email for zonal selection. As it
Okay.
is, when we went to Jamshedpur, we were informed
Huh.
that we were selected, and but we don't have a in terms of a certificate or a letter saying that the student is selected.
Okay,
So
so
we'll be getting the
certificates and
mails.
stuff will be provided after you get selected after the round two and stuff. For the things about this email and thing,
No, for the zonals, for the
huh,
first round
huh.
the selection, that letter or any certificate not needed.
This thing my team will conduct to you in the what do I say chat itself. But if you have given the wrong number or email, it wouldn't be communicated. But right now, I think it's given on the phone number and email ID.
No, sir, we have given an email ID as well as the number, but it is not yet updated.
Okay, it's not updated.
No, no, no.
Okay, then how did you get this link to join the meeting?
I had a word with the TechFest coordinator, Mr. Aryan. He gave
Okay,
me the link. He added me in the group, and he
okay,
said that a few days after you will be getting that letter on your email address.
okay. Okay,
Yeah.
then just okay, then he already told you. You just need to wait for some days. You will directly get it then.
All right. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, but like, sir, just I had a confusion.
Uh,
Like, the means like the teams will be formed. Okay, like the 73 teams are there. So means some amount of teams will be chosen, or all team will be chosen, because there is because one of you told that all 100 teams will be selected.
okay. So see, we will select the teams, and all the zonals have not yet to be. See, all exams are not yet conducted. There are still some that are remaining. So more and more people will come. So you can't be like only that much teams are there. They can increase. There are many teams who are more
Sir,
going to submit.
when our next session will be there? Any idea?
See, if there will be a next session, but it will be provided in the groups or WhatsApp and email. You will be contacted about it.
Okay.
So today means if we have made the groups, so can we start working on our ideas?
Yes, you can, of course. And
Okay, sir.
if you need an idea about when the next session will be conducted, it will be around first week of December.
Okay. After the submission of video.
Hmm.
Okay.
And also this session is getting
Sir,
recorded,
and when
so
we
it will be
will
uploaded. Just a minute. This session is getting recorded, so it will be uploaded in WhatsApp.
yes, sir, and when we will come to know that we have passed the second round and are
Uh,
selected for
after
IIT
you
Bombay.
after you guys will submit your PPTs and PPT and what videos. It's around 30 to 4th December, 30 November to 4th December. So when you will be submitting it, we will select and then we'll mail you and contact you.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir,
And
I want to say that whom to mail the the PPT and video,
what you say?
like whom to mail the PPTs and the
Okay, okay.
videos.
That will be provided. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
During those deadlines and stuff in the email, everything will be updated on the sites, WhatsApp groups. This was just a session to introduce you. Now everything will be uploaded.
Sir, and means if we start making the projects and all, then is it okay? Means
It's yeah,
we
it
will
is
start
fine.
tomorrow making projects.
It's fine. The sooner you make, the better you make, the more the chances of you getting selected.
And sir, what will be the criteria of that? Means if we make any chatbot, then what will be the criteria?
For that chatbot thing, my other team member who was conducting the AI thing, generative AI, he will talk to you. Okay.
Sir, and one more thing, physical AI and generative AI different results will be there or it will be in common.
Huh. Just a minute. Just let me call my friend and then I'll answer your question.
Sir, just one doubt.
Okay, you can ask your doubt. Let me clear the other person's doubt. He was
Uh,
asking about the different results, right? Different or same results.
no, no.
Generative
I
and
have.
physical AI will
Yes,
have
sir.
different
Yes,
results.
sir. Yeah.
They will have
Okay,
different
sir.
results. Okay.
Okay.
Advait, what
Hello,
was
sir.
you talking about?
Huh. So actually, I wanted to know that means the dates are in this means week means month and or two means the next month.
What? Repeat again?
Means the dates means you said that the dates are 20 to 25, right? So
21 to
the
25.
21 to 25.
Hmm.
So it is means is it in this month or the next month?
December,
Can
December.
December. Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Okay. Yes.
both type of developments are compulsory or choose anyone.
Choose any theme, and in every theme there are three projects. Choose any one project.
Okay, okay.
Hmm. Okay, so you can ask the generative AI question to the other team member. He is coming online.
You can now ask any question. Now you can ask any questions to me.
Yes, sir. I was asking the question that in what criteria will we get selected for the generative AI?
Depending upon the uniqueness of the project, and depending upon how the project is related to the theme and the other presentation, and it depends upon the evaluators too, like how well you can explain to the evaluator, or how your PPT or PDF or video explains it to it.
Okay.
Anything
Sir,
else?
can we now leave the meeting or anything is remaining?
So you can leave the meeting, but we'll just ask any last question if there are any else left. And evaluation criteria is given in the problem statement itself.
Okay.
Hello. Does anyone have any other questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
And for the evaluation criteria, you can properly check the problem statement. It is written there if you want to check exact lines.
So can you please repeat on which website would we get the updates?
The website link has been given in the chat. You can just go at the top and you'll find it.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I can currently I am not able to access the chat. So can you just please upload all the comments? Can you just upload all the things
In WhatsApp group?
in the WhatsApp group, because I am not able to access the chat here.
Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay, we'll wait for just 1 or 2 minutes. If there is no doubts left, then we'll be ending this meeting. For further questions and queries, you can just contact us on WhatsApp and other provided means of communication.
Sir, so I have a question that, sir, please can you provide a helpline Gmail ID so we can contact to yourself, sir. Actually, I told you about that. My name is incorrect, so I want to make it correct, sir. So please can you provide that mail to me?
Okay, we will provide it in the WhatsApp group. You are there, right?
Yes, I am. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anything else? Only some minutes left, then this meeting will be over. Okay, as it seems now there most of your questions have been solved and given answer to. We can now end this session. Thank you and congratulations for reaching to the round 2 of our SparkX competition. Now you can finally start competing in the actual competition where you will have a chance to go to IIT Bombay and win prizes. Thank you and have a nice day.